ஹாய் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு 90s ஐக்யூ சேலஞ்ச். இன்றைக்கான வீடியோஸில் என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோன்னா, அக்டோபர் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வீக்கோட கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ்கோட குவிஸ் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஆல்மோஸ்ட் எல்லாமே கவர் ஆகிருக்கு. ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஷின், which of the following ministry has recently launched the DISC4 challenge for the startups, innovators and MSMEs? Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Ministry of Human Resource Development, Ministry of Sports or Ministry of Defense? Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh launched the Defense India Startup Challenge 4 under the IDEX initiative during an event in New Delhi on September 29, 2020. இது கீழே என்ன இருக்குன்னா Ministry of Defense. Ministry of Defense is the answer. What is the limit of ways and means advances set by RBI for the second half of the financial year 2021 for the central government? 1 lakh crore, 150 crore, 1,25,000 crore, 1,75 crore. The Reserve Bank of India has set the limit for ways and means advances for the second half of the financial year வந்து 1,25,000 crore is an answer. October 2020 to March 2021. The Shanti Swarap Bharatnagar Prizes for 2020 has been bestowed upon 14 people. The annual award is given for outstanding work in which field? Sports, science, arts and television, literature. The Union Science and Technology Minister Harshvardhan announced the 2020 Shanti Swarap Bharatna Prizes on September 26, 2020 on occasion of Foundation Day of CSIR. The award won in the field na Science and Technology. Which Indian state has won the Pata Grant Award 2020 for its tourism campaign? Kerala, UP, Maharashtra, Gujarat. The Kerala Tourism has backed the prestigious Pata Grant Award 2020 in marketing category for its internationally Human by Nature campaign. The India think tank Niti Aayog has signed statement of intent with which country recently for decarbonization and energy transition agenda? Singapore, Netherlands, Denmark or Bangladesh? நித்தி ஆயோக் வந்து எதோட சைன் பண்ணியிருக்காங்கன்னா New Delhi has signed a statement of intent on September 8, 2020 for decarbonization and energy transition agenda. DRDO conducted successful test flight of its BrahMos supersonic cruise missile recently. It is a type of what missile? Surface to air, air to surface, surface to surface or air to air? DRDO, Defense Research and Development, successfully tests the BrahMos supersonic missile with several indigenous features from ITR at Odisha. அது என்னதுன்னா it is an surface to surface cruise. The BSc has joined hands with which bank to empower the small and medium enterprises listed on the platform? PNB, SBI, HDFC or Yes Bank? India leading stock exchange BSE has signed a pact with private sector lender Yes Bank to empower the SME listed on the platform. Yes Bank is the answer. Who has been appointed as a Director General of the National Security Guard? Surjit Singh Deshwal, Subhash Chandra Guntia, Yogesh Chandra Modi, Aravind Saxena? Answer வந்து என்னதுன்னா Deshwal. SS Deshwal has been given the additional charge of National Security Guard by the Home Ministry. ITBP na Indo-Tibetan Border Police. Name the newly appointed chairperson of the Film and Television Institute of India Governing Council. Shekhar Kapoor, Nashiruddin Shah, A.R. Rahman or Mani Ratnam? Answer வந்து என்னதுன்னா the filmmaker வந்து Shekhar Kapoor as a new president of Film and Television Institute of India Society and chairman of FTIA Governing Council. Answer is Shekhar Kapoor. RBI will trigger fresh flotation of market loans when the government of India utilizes %% of the WMA limit. 60%, 80%, 75% or 55%? 75% is an answer. The Reserve Bank will trigger fresh flotation of market loans when the government of India utilizes 75% of WMA limit. When is the International Day of Non-Violence observed? October 2, first Friday of October, October 1st or first Thursday of October? Every year, October 2 is celebrated as the International Day of Non-Violence to mark the birth anniversary of father of the nation Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhi Jayanti is on the day. The fast petrol vessel ICGS Kanaglata Baru has been commissioned by the Indian Coast Guard. It has been built by which company? Cochin Shipyard, GRSC, Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders or Hindustan Shipyard? The Indian Coast Guard FPV IGS Kanaglata Baru was commissioned at the GRSC Limited in Kolkata on September 30, 2020. International Day of Older Person is a UN recognized day celebrated worldwide on which date? September 29, October 2nd, September 30 or October 1st? The International Day of Older Person வந்து October 1st. Theme வந்து Pandemic. Do they change how we address age and aging? Sheikh Nawaf Al Ahmed has recently been appointed as the new Emir of which country? Turkey, Qatar, Kuwait or UAE? Emir அப்படின்னா கிங்குன்னு அட்ரஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க. Crown Prince Sheikh Nawaf Al Ahmed has been named as Emir of Kuwait by the cabinet. யாருக்குன்னா குவைத் கண்ட்ரிக்கு. The Ambedkar Social Innovation and Incubation Mission initiative has been launched by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment to financially support startup of SC youth over next 4 years. How many startup வந்து இதில் இருக்குது இந்த ப்ரோக்ராமில் மொத்தம் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம்னா அம்பேத்கர் சோஷியல் இனோவேஷன் அண்ட் இன்குபேஷன் மிஷன் த்ரூ வீடியோ கான்ஃபரன்சிங் எப்போ நடந்துச்சுன்னா September 30, 2020 இன் நியூ டெல்லி. Which among the following financial institution has approved loan worth USD 241 million for the Mumbai Metro Rail 2 project? Asian Development Bank, New Development Bank, World Bank or Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank? The Shanghai-based New Development Bank has approved USD 241 million. Shanghai-based New Development Bank is an answer. The International Coffee Day வந்து எப்போனா 29 September, October 2 or September 30 or October 1st? Coffee Day. Yes, it is on October 1st. Theme வந்து Coffee's Next Generation. Shabak Al Ahmad Al Shaba has passed away. He was the king of which Gulf nation? Saudi Arabia, Oman, Kuwait or Qatar? The incumbent emir of the ruler, அவர் வந்து passed away ஆயிட்டாரு. அவர் வந்து ஏஜ் வந்து 91. He had ruled the oil-rich Gulf Arab state since 2006 இருந்து. The Gujarat government has recently signed an MOU with which country in water sector? France, Denmark, Russia or Germany? The government of Gujarat has signed MOU with the government of Denmark in water sector. What is the new last date to file the income tax returns for assessment year 29 to 20? November 30 or December 31, January 31st or October 31st? The CBDT has once again extended the last date for filing income tax and the date வந்து என்னன்னா September 30. The new deadline வந்து November 30, 2020. New deadline வந்து November 30, 2020 வரை அது வந்து extend பண்ணியிருக்காங்க CBDT. What was the profession of K.C. Shivashankar who has passed away recently? Scientist, economist, mountaineer or illustrator? Shivashankar. The Shivashankar is known for illustrating the Vikram Beetle series. Has passed away after long illness. He was 97. The World Vegetarian Day is globally day marked on which date? First Friday of October, September 30 or October 1st or last Wednesday of September? World Vegetarian Day வந்து October 1 globally to raise awareness about the ethical, environmental, health and humanitarian benefits of a vegetarian lifestyle. How much amount of loan has been approved by the New Development Bank for the Delhi Ghaziabad Meerut RRTS project? 500 or 250 or 700 or 300 million? Yes, it is USD 500 million வந்து அது பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. NCRTC National Capital Regional Transport Corporation Limited. The fund வந்து for corporation of rapid rail corridor connecting the national capital territory of Delhi, the cities of Ghaziabad and Meerut. Operation My Sagili has been launched by which zone of the Indian Railways to enhance the security of women passengers while traveling? What is the answer? Women passengers. The Southeast Railway Zone of the Indian Railways has launched the Operation My Sagili for women passengers on the Southeast Railway. The Government of India has set the target to restore 26 million hectares of degraded and deforested land and achieve the land degradation neutrality by which year? 2025, 2030, 2027, 2022. 26 million hectares of degraded land வந்து எந்த இதுக்குள்ள நியூட்ரலைட் பண்ண போகிறாங்கன்னா 2030ல். The interest rate on Suganya Samriddhi account in October-December of FY21 is 7.3%, 7.1%, 7.9% or 7.6%. Yes, the answer is 7.6%. Name the month-long Global Virtual Summit inaugurated by Modi on 2nd October for overseas and residential Indian researchers and academicians. Vaibhav, Vidya, Vaishali or Vandy? The answer is Vaibhav. Vaishvik Bharatiya Vaigyanik Summit, a global virtual summit, வந்து நடந்தது வந்து 2nd October, inaugurated by Modi, will conclude on the occasion of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Jayanti on October 31st, 2020. India has recently inked USD 90 million defense deal with which country to buy the spare parts for its fleet of C-130G Super Hercules cargo aircraft? Israel, Russia, US or France? Yes, India and US has entered into a defense deal worth $900 million, wherein US would provide equipment, spare parts and logistically support for India's fleet of C-130J Super Hercules cargo aircraft. The Ministry of Jal Shakti presented the Swachh Bharat 2020 awards to various states on the occasion of Swachh Bharat Divas, which marked Dash year of launch of Swachh Bharat Mission 4657. The Ministry of Jal Shakti is observing the Swachh Bharat Divas 2020 on October 2 to mark 6 years of launch of Swachh Bharat Mission. What amount of financial assistance has been extended by US Agency for International Development to help the informational sector of India affected by COVID-19? USD 3 million, 1.9 million, 2.5 million or 5.1 million. The USAID has announced a financial aid of USD 1.9 million for India to support the vulnerable populations like informational sector due to COVID-19. The interest rate on NSE for third quarter of 2020 to 21 is unchanged. What is this rate? Yes, it is 6.8%. DRDO successfully carried the test flight of laser-guided anti-tank guided missile. It has been developed by Armament R&D Establishment, a DRDO a lab, which is headquartered at which place? Yes, it is successfully launched. It is in Pune. Okay, ARDE, Armament and RD and Establishment, which is in Pune. How much amount has been earmarked by NABARD for water sanitation and hygiene program under its refinance facility of 2020-21? 400, 600, 500 or 800 crore? The NABARD has announced a special refinance facilities for the water. எவ்வளோ அமௌண்ட் வந்து அதுக்காக கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னா NABARD வந்து அந்த வாஷ் அந்த ப்ரோக்ராம்காக 800 crore. Who has recently been sworn in as a new Chief Financial Officer of SBI? Charanjit Singh Atra or whom? Yes, it is Charanjit Singh Atra as a new CFO which effect from October 1. What is the interest rate on senior citizens savings scheme for quarter 3 of 2020-21? Yes, it is 7.4%. Atal Tunnel is the world's longest highway tunnel, about 10,000 feet. The tunnel was recently dedicated to the nation by Modi in which state? The PM Modi dedicated to the national tunnel October 3, about 10 feet. And the long வந்து above 10 feet. Patashri Abhiyan is a road repair scheme launched by which state? West Bengal, Maharashtra, Assam, or Odisha? The answer is as West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has launched the new scheme called Patarji Abhiyan on October 1st, 2020. இதில் மொத்தம் 7,000 stretches வந்திருக்கு comprising 12,000 kilometer. The bilateral Navy exercise Banco Sagar is being conducted between the Indian Navy with the Navy of which country? The second edition of Indian Navy Bangladesh Navy bilateral exercise Banco Sagar in northern Bay of Bengal on October 3. The exercise is aimed at developing the interoperability and joint operational skills. RBI has approved a 3-member interim committee of directors to run which private bank as a managing director and CEO? The Reserve Bank of India has approved the 3-member interim committee of directors to run the private sector lender Dhanalakshmi Bank in the capacity of managing director and CEO till a new MDO takes the charge. The Indian Navy has partnered with the municipal corporation of which of these cities to undertake the aerial seeding program in the city? The Indian Navy has partnered with Greater Visakhapatnam Municipal Corporation to undertake this aerial seeding. அது நடக்கிறது விசாகப்பட்டினம். Green cover தான் இதோட initiative of green cover. Which state has launched the portal Kritagayata, an online pension submission and tracking system for the retired pensioners? Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal launched a new web portal named Kritagayata on October 1st, 2020. It is an online pension submission and tracking system launched to help pensioner to the state to deposit their pension amount on the deposit பண்றதுக்கு. When is the World Animal Day observed? October 3, October 2 or October 4 or October 1? World Animal Day. The World's Animal Day is observed annually on October 4th since 1929. The DRDO recently conducted successful test firing of a new version of Shaurya nuclear-capable Basil missile. It is a DAS category of a missile. Actually, it is a surface-to-surface category missile. On 3rd October, DRDO successfully launch பண்ணியிருக்காங்க Shaurya surface at Balashore on the coast of Odisha, around 800 kilometers. Proof Pushpa Bhav. Professor Pushpa Bhav, a renowned social activist who has passed away, was a famous Iron Lady of. Veteran social activist Pushpa Bhav, also known as the Iron Lady of Mumbai, has passed away following a prolonged illness. She was 81. The World Space Week is being observed every year between watch date? World Space Week. The World Space Week October 4 10 வரை. October 4 to 10 is every year to celebrate science and technology and their contribution towards a betterment of human conditions. October 4 to 10. The Foreign Contribution Amendment Act 2020 has come into force 29 September. It has amendment with which act? Foreign Contribution Act 1990 or 1994, 2000 or 2010? The Foreign Contribution Amendment Act 2020 amends the Foreign Contribution Regulation Act 2010. Name the actress who has topped the Forbes highest paid actresses 2020 list. Nicole Kidman, Meryl Streep, Sofia Vergara, Angelina. The Colombia-born American actress Sofia Vergara, who came to fame with an American TV show Modern Family, is the highest paid actress in the annual list of Forbes. அதில் Sofia Vergara. Pradeep Maharati, who has passed away due to COVID-19, was the former minister of which state? Former Odisha minister and senior BJD MLA Maharati has passed away due to COVID-19 infection. BJP. She was 65. When is the World Teachers Day observed? October 3, October 4, October 5 or October 2? World Teachers Day. World Teachers Day, also known as International Teachers Day, is held annually on October 5 since 1994. Theme வந்து Teachers Leading in Crisis, Reimagining the Future. Vishnu Shivaraj Pandian has recently claimed a gold medal for India in which sports? Chess, shooting, boxing, or weightlifting? In shooting, India's Vishnu Shivaraj Pandian has won the 10-meter air rifle event at the 5th edition of International Online Shooting Championship held on October 3, 2020. Who is the author of the book Coffee Table Book on Discovering the Heritage of Assam, which was recently released by Donor Minister? The Union Minister of State Development of North East Region, Dr. Jitendra Singh, recently released a coffee table book. அது ரிலீஸ் பண்ணவர் யாருன்னா அந்த புக்கை வந்து ஜிஜேந்திர சிங். Haji Hussain Ansari has passed away. He was serving as Minority Welfare Minister of which state? Assam, Punjab, Haryana, Jharkhand. Haji Hussain Ansari. The Ministry of Minority Welfare and Registration Department in Government of Jharkhand has passed away. Jharkhand. What was the profession of Mishti Mukherjee, who has died at the age of 27 due to kidney failure? Sportwoman, actress, journalist, or singer? Bollywood actress Mishti Mukherjee, who has featured in many Hindi, Bengali, and Telugu films and music videos, has passed away due to kidney failure. He was only 27 years. As per the amendment FCRA Act 2020, the cap on administrative expenses of any NGO receiving foreign funding has been reduced to -% from the existing 50%. Section 8 to decrease the cap on administrative expenses of any NGO 20% decrease ஆயிருக்கு. What is the theme of International Teachers Day 2020? Young teachers, the future of the profession. Teachers leading in crisis, reimagining the future. The right to education means the right to a qualified teacher. Teaching in crisis, empowering teachers. The answer is teachers leading in crisis, reimagining the future. Okay, this is the theme of World Teachers Day. Which day of the year is celebrated as the World Habitat Day? October 3, October 6, October 4, or October 5? World Habitat Day வந்து every year on the first Monday of October. In 2020 வந்து October 5th. Who among the following is not the winner of the 2020 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine? Harvey J. Adler, Charles M. Rice, Brian Stevenson, Michael Houghton. The Nobel Assembly at Karolinska Institute announced the 2020 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine on 5th October 2020. The award வந்து யாருக்கு கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னா ஹார்வே ஜே அட்லர். India has collaborated with which country to launch the consultation of maritime surveillance satellites for the Indian Ocean region to trace the illegal spillage of oils by ships? India and France have collaborated to jointly launch. இது வந்து யார் collaboration பண்ணியிருக்காங்கன்னா India and the France to trace the illegal spillage of oil by ships. The Virtual Rise 2020 Summit was recently inaugurated by Modi. It has been organized to deliberate on the importance of renewable source of energy, artificial intelligence, online education, or digital banking. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the Rise. அது வந்து 5th October 2020. இது வந்து எதுக்காக லான்ச் பண்ணியிருக்காங்கன்னா ஆர்டிஃபிஷியல் இன்டெலிஜென்ஸ்க்காக மோடி வந்து லான்ச் பண்ணியிருக்காரு. ஆர்டிஃபிஷியல் இன்டெலிஜென்ஸ் இஸ் த ஆன்சர். How many individuals have been conferred with the Right Livelihood Award 2020? 2, 5, 3, or 4? Nasrin Sotoudeh of Iran, Brian Stevenson of US, Lottie Cunningham Wren of Nicaragua, and Asles Biastic of Belarus have won the Right Livelihood Award 2020. DRDO recently conducted test flight of smart system. It has been launched for which operation? DRDO வந்து ஒரு ஸ்மார்ட் ஒரு டெஸ்ட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. அது எந்த இதுக்காக வந்து லான்ச் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க? DRDO வந்து successfully flight tested the supersonic missile assisted release of torpedo from Wheeler Island off the coast of Odisha. Justice Anand Kumar Surendra Dev has passed away. He was the former judge of which court? Anand Kumar Surendra. Former acting Chief Justice of Gujarat High Court, Justice Anand Kumar Surendra Rai Dev passed away at the age of 62. Named the first ever airport of AII to become the entirely solar powered. ஏர்போர்ட்ஸ் அத்தாரிட்டி ஆஃப் இந்தியாவில் ஃபுல்லாக என்டையராக சோலார் சிஸ்டம் வந்து யூஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க. The Puducherry Airport has become the first airport of Airports Authority of India which is entirely solar powered. இதுனா புதுச்சேரி ஏர்போர்ட். Health Minister has recently inaugurated a super speciality block at Motilal Nehru Medical College. The institution is located at which city? The Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare Harshvardhan and Yogi Adityanath, Chief Minister of UP, inaugurated the super speciality block at Motilal Nehru Medical College, Prayagraj on October 5th via video conferencing. What was the profession of Mulayam Singh Yadav who passed away recently? Author, politician, journalist or academician? 3-time member of Legislative Council and veteran Samajwadi Party leader from Ayurai, Mulayam Singh Yadav has passed away after a prolonged illness. He was 92. What is the theme of World Habitat Day 2020? Housing for all, a better urban future. Frontier technology as an innovative tool to transform waste to wealth. Municipal solid waste management. Housing at the center. The theme வந்து என்னதுன்னா Housing for all, a better urban future. Housing for all, a better urban future. Name the winners of the 2020 Nobel Prize in Physics. ஃபிசிக்ஸில் வந்து வாங்கின நோபல் ப்ரைஸோட லிஸ்ட் வந்து கேட்டிருக்காங்க. கொடுத்துருக்கேன், இதில் யார் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு நீங்கள் ஆன்சர் தெரிஞ்சிச்சுன்னா நீங்கள் கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். The Royal Swedish Academy of Science announced the 2020 Nobel Prize in Physics on 6th October. One half of the award has been given to Roger Penrose for black hole discovery and other half வந்து Reinhard Zenzel and Andrea. Name the new external members of MPC Committee of RBI appointed by Government of India. Name the new external members of MPC Committee of RBI appointed by Government of India. The Government of India has appointed 3 new economists as the members of 6-member rate setting Monetary Policy Committee of Reserve Bank of India on October 5th. The new members are Ashima Goyal, Professor Jain R. Verma, Dr. Shashankha Baid. The Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs has partnered with which food tech company to take street vendors online? Swiggy, Zomato, Uber Eats or Food Panda? The Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs has signed a memorandum with Bengaluru-based food tech major Swiggy to onboard street food vendors. In the platform na Swiggy. Which day of the year is celebrated as World Cotton Day by who? October 7th, 6th, October 5th or October 4th? World Cotton Day வந்து எப்போனா it is October 7th. எப்போ இருந்து இது செலிப்ரேட் பண்ணுறாங்கன்னா போன வருஷத்துலேருந்து தான், since 2019. SEBI has introduced very high risk category on its mutual funds Riskometer tool to determine the level of risk on each mutual fund schemes. Prior to this, the Riskometer comprised of how many categories of risk? அதில் எத்தனை categories இருக்குன்னா, very high risk வந்து Market Regulator Securities and Exchange Board of India has introduced a new very high risk categories on its mutual funds to warn investors. The Sitwe port, which is scheduled to be operational in Q1 of 2021, has been built by India in which country? Bhutan, Nepal, Myanmar or Bangladesh? India and Myanmar are working towards the operational of the Sitwe port in Rakhine state of Myanmar in the first quarter of 2021. India and Myanmar. Name the India's largest HPC AI supercomputer that will be commissioned by the Center for Development of Advanced Computing, CDAC, Center for Development of Advanced Computing. India's largest HPC AI supercomputer, அதோட ஆன்சர் வந்து பராம் சித்தி ஆல். பராம் சித்தி AI. BRICS Summit 2020 will be held virtually in November 2020. It will be which edition of the annual summit? 12th BRICS Summit is scheduled to be held on 17th November via video conference. This is the first time in the history of the forum that meeting will be held virtually due to the global COVID pandemic. This is 12th BRICS meeting. Dali Kushani, a red hot cherry pepper, has received GI tag. It belongs to which state? Sikkim, Odisha, West Bengal, or Gujarat? The famous red hot cherry pepper of Sikkim, which is known as a Dalhi Kushani, from the Department for the Promotion of Industry and International Trade. Answer வந்து எந்த GI tag கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னா சிக்கிம்க்கு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. The week between October 2 to 8 is celebrated as DAS in India, Environment Week, Wildlife Week, Sports Week, or Health Week. October 2 to 8. The Wildlife Week is celebrated in India every year from October to 8 to conserve and protect the fauna or animal life of the country. Quad countries foreign ministers meet 2020 was held recently. Which country or the members of the group? Russia, Japan, India, Australia, US, South Korea, India, Australia, Japan, India, Australia, China, or US, Japan, India, Australia. The foreign ministers of all four Quad countries, US, Japan, India, Australia is the answer. US, Japan, India, Australia வந்து met பண்ண போகிறது எப்போனா 6th October 2020 in Tokyo, Japan to held the bilateral discussion over FOP. What is the tenure of 3 new external members of MPC of RBI appointed by Governor of India? As per RBI Act, the 3 new external members would have 4-year terms. 4-year terms is the answer. Cricket player Nazib Tarkai has passed away at 29. He used to play for which country? Nazib Tarkai, the Afghanistan right-handed batsman, has passed away from injuries following a road accident. Thank you friends. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்துச்சுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், பெல் பட்டனை ப்ரெஸ்